Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem iPhone cannot connect to App Store. In my case, it's a Wi-Fi problem, but I show you different ways to solve the problem. Let's get started. First, open the settings and choose your Wi-Fi connection. After that, turn off this Wi-Fi connection and then turn on it. Again, open App Store. It was the first way to solve the problem. Go ahead. Open the settings, then choose General Settings, and in General Settings, tap on Date and Time. Then set your date and time zone automatically. Turn on it. It was the second way to solve the problem. Go ahead. Open the settings, open your account. Next, choose Media and Purchases, tap Continue, tap on Media and Purchases, and sign out from our App Store account. Tap Sign Out. Are you sure? Yes, sign out. Our App Store have been turned off. Let's enable App Store again. Tap on Media and Purchases. Tap Continue. Sign in into Apple Media Services. Okay, it was the third way to solve the problem. These were the basic ways to solve the problem. If the problem persists, here are a couple simple ways. The fourth way is to reboot your iPhone. It can help. Slide to power off to reboot it. And the fifth way, in Settings, open General Settings and then tap Software Update. Here you need to update your iOS version if it is necessary. And the sixth way to solve the problem, return to General Settings, swipe down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.